Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So I'm going to show you dash camera 2-channel installed on a BMW M340i 2020. Brand new vehicle, just came out. So we have the front camera installed just behind the mirror there. And the rear camera we've installed in the back, but not in the center. We took it a little bit to the right, and the reason is here we have the third brake light, and if you put the camera there, the cable will be visible from outside, so it's not the cleanest. So we decided to put it a little bit to the side. The power for this vehicle, it's a brand new vehicle, and since we need to have the parking mode, we need to find the power source. So we've gone to the back here. We do not use fuse adapters, so if you look at our system, there are no fuse adapters, nothing you can see, nothing visible. Everything is in the back of the fuse box. We actually using, in this case, using relays and just to increase the power, just to make sure nothing will be having any issues. We've seen a lot of people see on YouTube and doing DIY using fuse adapters and stuff like that. What happens is first of all, they become bigger, so then if it shakes, it doesn't sync properly, you might have the camera not working, but you also can do something worse, something else not working. Now every one of those fuses is dedicated for a certain thing to do. So that fuse protects the circuit that it's working on. By you adding another power on that circuit, unless it's a dedicated circuit like accessory for lighter or something, you are overloading the circuit that you're using. Therefore we use relays, and we actually take the vehicle power from the battery and just use relays to trigger our accessories. Again, a bit more tricky job, but make sure that you won't have any electrical issues or any problems. It takes a bit longer, but it's done correctly. For dash cams on vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.